The Columbia Shuswap Invasive Species Society, CSISS, is a nonprofit invasive species society working in the Columbia Shuswap region on aquatic and terrestrial invasive species monitoring, management, and education programs. Invasive species are non-native plants and animals that have been introduced to an ecosystem where they do not naturally occur. With no natural predators and diseases to keep them under control, invasive species can spread rapidly, outcompeting native species for water, nutrients, and space. Invasive species have many environmental, economic, and social impacts. In the environment, invasive species reduce biodiversity, disrupt natural ecosystem functions, and threaten native species. Once established, invasive species negatively impact the economy, resulting in increased maintenance costs. Invasive species have social impacts that threaten human health, contribute to the loss of traditional food and medicinal plants, and affect our recreational usage of outdoor spaces. Thankfully, it is free to dispose of invasive plants at landfills and transfer stations throughout the Columbia Shuswap Regional District. Just ensure invasive plants are securely bagged and let the attendant know. Knowing how to identify invasive species is key to helping prevent their spread. You can report invasive species to CSISS or with the Report Invasives BC app. This app can be downloaded on any smartphone or tablet and is a quick and easy way to identify and report any suspected aquatic or terrestrial plants or animals. We are lucky to live in a region with an abundance of wildlife and many ecologically significant areas. Protecting these natural ecosystems from the impacts of invasive species is a mission we can all take part in. Here are a few simple ways to take action against invasive species. You can choose to plant only non-invasive plants in your garden. You can clean, drain, dry your boat whenever you leave a body of water and make sure to stop at inspection stations if you are traveling out of province. You can brush all seeds and dirt off your hiking or biking gear before and after hitting the trails. And you can make sure not to let any pets loose into the wild. Are you ready to learn more about managing invasive species on your property and protecting valuable habitat for native wildlife? Become a member of CSISS and join our mailing list to stay up to date on local restoration projects and educational workshops. You can find more about CSISS at columbiashuswapinvasives.org or look for us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram.